Hello friends, myself Jitendra Kumar. I am taking a lecture on the electrical machine design for the electrical engineering students of the 7th semester. In the previous lecture, we are discussing about the various parameters which are associated with the electrical machines for the designing purposes. Now we are discussing about the insulating material used in the modern electrical machine. First material which we are opting will be the mica. Mica you already seen in your daily life. Mica used in its natural form or a seed state is difficult to work. Therefore, it is used in the form of plating with shellac, bitumen, or polyester binding. There will be a different structure and the different shapes are available with a different colors. Different shapes are available over here. It will be in a larger format. We have a larger seats are there. There will be a different colors available. Different color combinations are available. It will be available in a seat, in a hardcore seat, and similarly with a different color seats are there. It will be available in the form of a circle, so you can easily cut over there, and it will be available in the form of a roll. So you can use it in any type one. It can be available in the form of a strip. So you can make it and paste it over the device, over the component, whichever component will be required to give a protection against the heating or the property usually associated with the mica sheets. These are the another applications which we are finding over here, that there is a different types of spacing are there. It can be used for the rotor side and it can be used for the stator side. So there will be the different structures are there which will indicate about the motor, where we can place in between of the in between as an insulation, and this will work as a seat over here, that we are placing the components, and it will protect the component from the external environment. So different types of applications are we are finding over this side, that there is a different types of applications of the mica sheets which we are opting to operate. Next is the mica folium. So mica will be upgraded in the form of mica folium. It is a wrapping consisting of mica splitting which are to be paper and air dried in nature. It may be molded directly or on conductor, then rolled and compressed between heated plates to solidify the material and to expel the air. So the air will be expelled out, and the material, whichever material we have to like to insulate, it will be totally covered without any air bubbles will be taken. So this type of material can be insulated by the type of this one. So there is a, as we are knowing that the mica will be a different colors and the shapes are available. Similarly, the microfolium will be available, but the features of the microfolium and the mica is that mica sheet will be wrapped over the device, but the mica folium will be wrapped over a component which we have to make to work as an insulation over here, and then we are heating the plates so that the material so that the microfolium become the solidify in nature and expel all the air will be associated between the insulations and the components. There will be different types of numbering are there. For example, R5461 PR1, R5461 PR2, R5461 PR3, R5461 PR4. So there is a mica sheet, fiber cloth, and the mica sheet, fiber cloth, mica sheet, and fiber cloth, and the mica sheet, fiber cloth, mica, and ceramic fiber. So that will be the numbering. It will indicate that how many times of material we are using in this type, what will be the nature of this one. So a single sheet of the R5461PR1 having a mica, fiber cloth, and the mica combinations are there, so we can easily wrap. It will be available in the form of a roll, so we can easily wrap the material over a component which we have to protect. So they are called as the mica composites, where the different combinations are there, like in the first one. fiber cloth and the mica, then fiber cloth, mica and fiber cloth and the mica, and the fiber cloth, mica and the ceramic fibers will be a combination in the multiple combination material are available to us. Next is the fibrous glass. It is made from material which is free alkali metal oxides, which may form a surface coating that may attack the glass silicate. Glass does not absorb moisture volumetrically, but may attract it by capillary action between the fine filaments. Tapes and cloths woven from continuous filament yarns of glass have a high resistivity, high thermal conductivity, and tensile strength and form a good glass insulation. The space factor of this type of insulating material is good, but the material is prone to abrasive damages. These glass cell coverings are used for wires of field coils or much windings of induction motor. These are the materials which we are discussing. This will be the structure of this one, and we are finding that this will be the work as an insulation, and it will be finding that it will be available in a different format are there. So one wire is there, the insulation is there. So multiple insulations are available in a multiple colors of the wire. So we can provide this type of combination so that we can easily identify about the material that this type of coil we are distinguished with the insulation. So there will be the different type of structures we are finding and different types of process through which we can use it or wrap it over devices. So there is a multiple combinations are there. For example, air conditioning conduct is there. There is a CPRX compound will be wrapped over there. Then the glass wool, FSK vapor barrier, then the plastic strap and like that. So multiple combination or the multiple layers we are using of this type of material so that it can be easily wrap and it will give you the multiple protection to the devices. So there we are finding that the multiple colors and multiple combinations are there for a standard A nickel conductor which will be wrapped by the two glass serving and the treated glass will be providing as an insulation to the aluminum conductors over the device. And this will be the ending of the installation which we are covering over the devices. So thank you for attending the lecture related to the material.